Imagine a world where blockchains break free from their limits, where scaling issues vanish and developers build without hitting roadblocks. Sounds futuristic? Well, that future has arrived, and it's powered by Celestia TIA, a modular blockchain network that's reshaping how blockchains operate. But here's the thing, if you ignore what's happening with Celestia right now, you might miss one of the biggest technological shifts since Ethereum. Oh, and I promise, no boring jargon overload. Okay, maybe just a little, but it's worth it. Let's dive right in. 1. The problem Celestia solves. Traditional blockchains are like highways during rush hour, slow, congested, and costly. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're amazing, but they buckle under heavy loads, causing insane transaction fees and delays. And that's where Celestia comes in. It's not just another blockchain, it's the world's first fully modular blockchain network. Think of it as breaking a big task into smaller, specialized parts. Wait, modular? What does that even mean? Why should it matter to you? Hold tight, it's about to get fascinating. 2. How Celestia works. Think of Celestia like a box of Lego blocks. Unlike rigid blockchains that try to handle everything, from consensus to data storage, Celestia separates these tasks. This modular design allows developers to build faster and more scalable blockchains tailored to specific needs. And hey, who doesn't love Legos? Unless you step on one barefoot, ouch! This architecture is already attracting some of the brightest developers in the blockchain world. 3. Vision for Celestia. Here's where it gets interesting. As blockchain adoption skyrockets, Celestia's unmatched scalability and flexibility could become the foundation for the decentralized apps of tomorrow. But what's in it for investors like you? Glad you asked? 4. TIA token and investment potential. The native token TIA powers the entire Celestia ecosystem. As the network grows and adoption increases, demand for TIA is likely to rise, kind of like how ETH exploded as Ethereum expanded. But wait, does this mean TIA is guaranteed to succeed? Absolutely not. Crypto is a high-risk space. Projects with massive potential also carry significant volatility. So, as always, do your own research. Still missing out on early tech shifts? That's a regret nobody wants. 5. Is Celestia the future of blockchain? Celestia is still early stage, much like Ethereum was before its explosion. And we all know how that turned out. The shift to modular blockchains could make Celestia a foundational player in Web3. But here's the bottom line. Whether Celestia becomes the backbone of blockchain or not, it's a game-changing concept worth keeping on your radar. Want to stay ahead of the curve? Keep an eye on Celestia, but always make informed decisions. And speaking of staying informed, if you're curious about another groundbreaking project shaking up crypto, check out my video on everything you need to know about XRP in 6 minutes. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay on top of the latest crypto trends. Stay curious, stay inspired. I'll see you in the next one.